Here's
we
the
will hold
mechanism.
the technique.
Here's the
Oh.
mechanism. So
That's nice.
So the gear with the big one rotates the small gear and it connects to this gear. The handles are connected. The handles will pull it up. Now let's go the second mechanism. The second mechanism is flapping wing. This is how it works. This works because of there is two technic bricks connected up here so that it can make the wings go up and down.
Oh.
And I've used the steam engine mechanism so that I connected up here.
This is all very impressive. But can you show us the platform?
Here's the platform, which I have used. I'm going to first show how to put this mechanism
On the platform. Oh, good.
See, when it goes, when the motor gets connected, it makes it go up and down.
So it makes the bag go
Now-
up and down.
Here's the motor.
Okay.
So I will connect it up here. I connected up here. Now this second one is flapping wings. You can change. I've used it up here for the motor and attached it.
And finally the head, right?
Now the last one is the head.
Where does that go?
It goes on the spot.
You said this thing has a motor. How does it move?
Yes, I'll show you.
Oh, Halloween bag. Nice one.
I'll show you the working now.